Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning and welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. Now keep inspired, keep motivated and look to kickstart your day. You can book your free 30-minute call by sending a text message on 07801 543 515. My calendar is open for you because today is just the perfect day to start to eliminate that problem or issue that you have right now. Think about how much you want it to stop, and it's only going to happen if you take action. Stop ignoring the pain. It is time. But first, here is your quote for today. One day, your life will flash before your eyes. Make sure it's worth watching. Just like that, in a flash, it's gone. Now we all know how it all works. Time is ticking away, second after second, as we speak. Try and spend your time as best and wisely as you can. Go on adventures. Don't hide away from the experiences presented to you and just make some memories. Life needs to be experienced as you write that book of yours to look back and see that you made every single moment count.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.